Hi guys, today I'll be attempting to solve LeetCode 207, which is course schedule. So we've been given a total number of num courses, labeled from 0 to num courses minus 1, and we've been given an array of prerequisites, where again prerequisites are A1, AI to BI, indicates that we must take course BI if we have to take course AI, right? So prerequisites are basically courses that are supposed to be taken before you can take a specific or a particular course, which needs to have a specific requirement of the earlier course, right? So an example is that if you have a pair 0, 1, it indicates that you have to take course 0 and then you can take course 1, right? So it's a prerequisite. So we have to return true in this case if we can finish all courses given to us, else return false. So in our example 1, we can see that if we have to complete 2 courses and we have our prerequisites as 1, 0, so we can do this because to take course 1, sorry, then we have to finish course 0, which is possible. So we take 2 courses, our prerequisites match, and we can do this combination. So it's true. But in the second case, if we have num courses as 2 and if we have prerequisites as 1, 0 and 0, 1, this basically means that you have to complete course 0 before you take course 1, and you have to complete course 1 before you take course 0. So it's a cycle, right? It's a cyclical structure. So you can never get out of it. You can never complete courses because it'll always be one case or the other, right? So it's impossible to have this kind of combination. So we return false, right? Now, and the easiest approach to this problem would be a depth first search. So we could then we could initially, we have a map definition, so we could map um, each course to a prerequisite list prerequisite list itself. So we could have a pre-map in this case as um, I, or this is like for I in range of num courses, right? So we're defining initializing it basically, right? And now we have for courses prerequisites in prerequisites, right? So we've been given that, so we copy this and we define the elements of premap now. So we have premap courses dot append all the prerequisites to the courses, right? We have, in our case, to keep track of all visited courses in the current DFS path, right? So we define, let's say, a visit set record. Oh, sorry. Yeah, a visit set equals set, and we define a depth first search, right, for courses. Sorry. Now we have to have cases or conditions here. So now we have if courses are in the visited set, let's say we've already visited them, right? We return false. You can never have cycles, right? As we discussed. Now if pre-map of courses is equal to nothing, if we have no prerequisites to any course, we can take that course, right? And we can finish it. So we return true. Now we update our visit set because when these two conditions are not satisfied, we have to update our visit set, add the courses we visited already. Now we have for prerequisites courses, we have if we don't have that is true, then we return false, right? Because DFS pre would give us the possibility of having that prerequisite channel to be complete. But now if we don't, it's not if it's not satisfied, we return false right at the end. So that's our condition, and we then remove our post this condition, we remove CRS because we've already visited that. We don't need that anymore. data pre-map to that specific course to be equal to nothing, and we return true, right? This entire process needs to be done for every course, right? Because we could have, let's say, course 1, 2, and then we could have course 3 to 4, not necessarily connected, right? So we have to go through each of them and see if it's true or not. So we have for courses range of, in this case, we have num courses. If we don't have that DFS of CRS, then we return that should be it. Okay, some things gone wrong. We can correct our mistakes. So premap I for I in range num courses. Click on DFS, return true. Visit set and return true. Oops, I think I found my mistake. This should be outside this definition. And yep, that should update our courses in our case because we have to complete every course, right? So yeah, we accepted. We submit this and we see that, okay, the wrong answer, I think. We've only passed 42 or 52 test cases. So, this might need a modification. I'll just see what we can do. Runs false, runs true again. Okay. Because we have to go outside of our if condition, right? So that might be an issue. If we submit this now, yep, passed 108 ms and 17 MB. So yeah, that's the solution, and I hope you liked it. Thank you.